Hi, my name's Mick. I'm the co-owner of Bolton Dream Doors, along with my partner Sharon.
Hi, I'm Sharon. I'm co-owner of Dream Doors Bolton Bury.
So with Dream Doors, what we can do is we can actually freshen up the kitchen by replacing the doors and the worktops at a fraction of the time and a fraction of the cost of a brand new installation.
Why replace your kitchen when we can reface your kitchen?
So the brands that we deal with are leading brands within the kitchen industry, which are Franke, Neff, Samsung, Bosch.
So in relation to worktops, we have a number of different worktops that we can offer. We have high quality laminate worktops, we have seamless worktops such as Wharf, such as Minerva, we offer granite, we offer solid wood, and we offer quartz.
We're a family run business. We've lived in Bolton all our lives. We use local tradesmen. We know that what people in Bolton generally will go for is quality of service and the quality of product.
We're situated at number 5 Bury New Road in Bolton.
Parking's very accessible. We've got room for about 10 cars. So why don't you pop down to the new Bolton showroom, have a look at the product, different styles of doors, different styles of worktops. Come down for a chat, have a coffee. We'd be delighted to speak to you.